Buyer benefits of rent to own your dream home. You have the ability to own your own home as you build up equity and fix any potential credit problems. Prepare for home ownership. Take your time and learn how to properly care for a house as you move towards your goal of home ownership. Get the help you need. Turn your rent into an investment. Both a portion of your monthly rent and down payment at closing will be credited to your purchase price. Profit from appreciation. In a rent-to-own agreement, the purchase price is fixed, giving you the opportunity to make equity gains in the midst of growing real estate markets. Credit improvement specialists available. Our credit experts can help you build your credit to the point of making a purchase at the end of your lease. The timing for moving into a rent-to-own home can be much shorter than purchasing a home should you choose to exercise your option. Maintain your flexibility. Rent-to-own gives you the flexibility to walk away from the property at the end of your lease term should you decide you don't want to make the purchase. Potential to own with any credit. Whether you've had late payments, a bankruptcy, or simply haven't had enough time to build up your credit, a rent-to-own home may enable you to build equity and repair credit while renting to own your home. Seller benefits of rent-to-own. Protection. If your buyer should fail to procure a mortgage loan or waive the purchase option at the maturity of the lease term, do you retain the deposit, rent, and all accumulated equity? Rent premium. Rent-to-own landlords typically collect a rental rate premium in exchange for offering a purchase option. Tax-friendly. Avoid short-term capital gains with a fix and flip strategy by renting to own the property to a tenant. Just be sure the lease extends more than a year from your date of purchase.